Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Namo Buddhaya, salam sejahtera, and salam harmoni. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Today, we from Group 3 will be presentation the material about HOPOC Career Counseling Guidance Theory. Okay, before we presentation, let us introduce ourselves first. Start from me. My name is Nimade Ayuniska Dewi, with student registration number 23110110009, and my partner.
My name is Kada Adina Putri Paramita with student ID number 23110110006.
Okay, topic to be discussion today is first is Hopok biography and his theory in career counseling. The second is the main concept in the career guidance and counseling theory proposed by Hopok. Third is the role of counselor based on Hopok career counseling guidance theory. And the last is the implication of applying Hopok theory in career counseling, both for individual and counselor. Okay, the material about Robert Hopok. Robert Hopok was an important figure in the field of career counseling guidance, who was born in Lambertville, New Jersey on December 24, 1901. He earned a Bachelor of Science degree in economics from Wesleyan University in 1923. Then he continued his studies and earned a Master of Art degree in Educational Psychological from Teacher College, Columbia University in 1932. In the 1935, he earned a Doctor of Philosophy degree in Educational Research from Columbia. His academic career began at New York University in 1939, where he served as a chair of the Department of Guidance and Personal Administration until 1952. He is recognized as an expert in career teaching method and career information, with major contribution in the areas of group guidance and job satisfaction. Hopok has published extensively, including more than 300 articles in various educational, industry, and professional journals. Hopok Career Counseling Theory. Robert Hopok emphasized that a person's career choice is greatly influenced by the physical and psychological needs that he or she has. According to him, this need play an important role in the job selection process because a person will feel satisfied when the job is able to meet this need. Job satisfaction, in Hopok view, is achieved when the chosen job not only provide economic benefit, but also meet the individual emotional, social, and psychological need. In other words, Hopok says that job satisfaction is comprehensive, covering more than just the material aspect. When work is able to meet various dimensions of personal need, individual will feel happier, more productive, and more motivated in carrying out their duties. Failure to meet this need can lead to dissatisfaction and desire to look for another job that is more suitable. The next material is about Hopok Career Guidance Counseling Theory Concept. Hopok Career Counseling theory consists of 10 main ideas that form the basic of this theory. This main idea explains the basic of choosing the right career, namely 1. Jobs are chosen to full need, both physical and psychological. Physical needs include drink, food, clothing, shelter, and other, while psychological needs include appreciation, respect, and affection. Individual reaction to this need will influence the direction of career choice. 2. Jobs are chosen because they are considered the best made need. A person who needs status and recognition from others tends to pursue a position that can satisfy those needs. 3. As a job is when chosen when an individual realizes that the job can fulfill his or her needs. This relation give us rise to attraction or aversion to particular job, which according to Hopok is starting point of career choice. 4. The need that areas can accept intellectually and directs toward specially specific goals. 5. Career choice if individuals are able to estimate how well the job meets their needs. This depends on self-understanding, knowledge of the job, and ability to reason thoroughly. 6. Information about personal condition influence job choice because individuals who understand themselves tend to make appropriate choice. 7 is information about job help a person evaluate whether the job can meet his or her need as well as predict the level of satisfaction that will be obtained. 8 is job satisfaction is determined by how well a job meets individual needs. If expectation and reality are balanced, individuals are more likely to stay in the job. 9 is job satisfaction come from work that meet current needs or promise to meet future needs. And the last concept is job choice can change if individual believe the change will better meet their needs. Hofok found that job change often increase level of satisfaction. Okay, the next material will be present by my partner.
Okay, the next material is the role of counselor in Hopok career counseling guidance the theory. In Hopok career guidance and counseling theory, the role of counselor is very important in helping individual understanding, choose, and also develop career plans that should suit the client personality needs, interests, and skill. And counselor also act a facilitator who help clients identification various factors that influence the career choice and certification. This is about career guidance and counseling theory. A counselor takes as guided who help clients recognize the personal needs and characteristics report after career information help resolve internal conflict and make realistic decision. The following in the role of the counselor in the theory. 1. Helping client understand themselves. Counselor play a role helping client explore and understand important aspect of themselves. This process includes exploring interests, personal value, emotional need, skill, and other factor in influence career choice. 2. proving accurate and practice career information. Many individuals may feel confident of unaware of the career optional available to them, including the education and training requirements, job opportunity available, and entering pointil in various opposition. Counselor also self uh, correct searching of information for client in influencing various career options so that they make fair and more realistic decisions. 3. Helping client overcome career conflict. Many individuals are often affected with internal or external conflict when make career decisions. Counselor can work with clients to weigh the various factors in the influence their career choice, including physical, social, and cultural factors. Counselor have client develop a balanced understanding between personal discern and the application of the information, and with a middle group and to allow them to change pursuing the career. Fourth, building realistic decision making. Not all individuals have a clear understanding the chairs target in and limitation. And sometimes clients set career goals that may be too ambitious to even unrealistic. Counselor in case a tech facilitator who provide realistic insight relate to the client career choice. The reference, a counselor help client make quick decision rating career plans that can have active with the existing abilities and requirement. 5. Planning the long-term career. Counselor not only assisting in make concrete career decision, but also design long-term strategy that allow client to grow in the career. In Upwork theory, career certification is not only related to the choice the first job, but also ongoing self-development. Counselor can also help clients design career plans that include future educational, professional training, or work experience that will help clients continue to grow in the choice career. 6. Preparing clients for the change and underrating. Today's work, work world is dynamic, and change that occur are often an aspect. Therefore, counselor can equip career client with the skill needs to stay relevant to the every ever evolving world of work. Counselor have client development flexibility, emotional reset, and to available to adapt it to the new situation, and that they are able to not only survive but also thriving amidst change. Next. Okay, next is the last material is implementation or implementing Hopok theory of career counseling. Hopok theory provides strong implementation in the context of career guidance, explaining in the term of the importance of self-understanding, mature decision making, readiness to face change, and focus on job certification. Counselor play an important role in guiding clients to achieve optimal career certification by helping the understanding their personal needs. Following, following are some the main implementation of applying work theory in the career counseling. One, the important of, of self-understanding in career selection. In the first implementation of the application of Upwork theory is the self-understanding is key step in the choice of suitable career. This will make the entrance for clients to access career that can provide long-term certification. Implementation for counselor. Counselor need to take a more personal and relevant approach. We need to understand the career certification is not just about choosing a job that is popular of responsibility win, but a job that meets the client personal needs. Implementation to counselors are explained to be more proactive in the choosing process, explicitly in recognition and understanding their own career needs and application. Two, the importance of active career information. Howard theory imprints that accurate information about career choice is external from client. Since career certification in the influenced by how well a job can meet personal needs, counselor need to answer the client by raising accurate information about various fields of work. Implementation from counselor. Counselor must continue to be able to update their knowledge about just maker trends and change in different personal fields, and counselor must also be able to raise client to the right return. Implementation for educational institute. School and educational institute need to provide the well-structured careers guidance program so that this will help students make more choices and improvement career choice. Three, career diversification making skill development. Upwork theory emphasizes the importance of making informed career discussion based on self-understanding and accurate information. The informant decision-making process influence choice, learn, personal needs, skill, and career prospect. Implementation from counselor. Counselor must provide strong support in helping client overcome overcome confusion and conflict that must arise when they have the choice career. And implementation from counselors. Counselors should be there not to rely softly on external factor and make career decision. And they also need to learn to evaluate optional based on their personal needs. Or flexibility and reading for career change. The dynamic world of work will change the technology, economy, and culture. It set individual the dream flexible. Counselor must prepare the client to face understanding and change in the career. Implementation of counselor. Counselor must help client develop adaptation skill and unburst or weakness. Career change is normal. This counselor need to train their client with tools and strategy to manage change. And implementation for clients. Client need to understand that career plays in influence change, change job feel in interesting. They must have flexible attitude and be really ready to continue learning and developing in fence with your career challenge. Five, the important to job certification as a must of career success. Success in the career is not solely measured by professional opinion and social status, but, but by who certificates individual are with their work floating emotion emotional and physiological needs. Implementing for counselor. Counselors so emphasize the importance of work-life balance is active job certification. They need to help client identify factor and may include job certification and implementation from clients. Clients should consider job certification factor when making career decision. That's so not only focus on external factors such as silver or status, but also on the extent to which the job can provide emotional certification and opportunities for development. Okay, the last material. Now I will be right to the conclusion. Okay, the conclusion, Robert Oppok in the important figure in the field of career guidance and counseling who emphasized that a person's career choice in greatly influenced by physical and psychological needs. According to his career theory, job certification is achieved when the chosen job is able to meet the individual's needs, both economical, emotional, social, and psychological. Hotbox development his tool in 10 main points that explain the basic for choosing the right career, including the importance of self-understanding and words to personal needs and the ability to value how well the job can meet the choice. Thus need. Overall, this application, the Fox theory in the career counseling focus on self-understanding with decision making and individual reading to face future career change. Counselor must attack a facilitator who help clients achieve career certification toward choosing job that suit their needs and personal characteristics. Okay, I will back to the moderator.
Okay, that's all presentation from group 3. We apologize we have any mistake word in saying. So I close the presentation with Paramasanti. Om Santi 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 Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Namo Buddhaya, salam sejahtera, and salam harmoni.